Hi, in this video you will learn how to send data from client to the server using the request parameter. Okay, so here we need to add the annotation at request param followed by a string. Then that string depend on the type. You may add integer, depend on the type that you will use inside this method. I will use string to replace this name. We need to send this name from the client. Okay, so I will set this as face name. Okay, and I will change this from the aliu to the face name. So that means we are sending the value from the client, the value of the first name. Okay, so let's save these changes and go to the browser. So to use the request parameter, here in front of this URL home, we add this question mark followed by the first name. Okay, you can see the first name must match what the value that you have here, that is the variable that you have here. Okay, let's go back here and set it to like doubt. So before then, let's rerun this program to make sure the changes, we have no problem with the changes. Okay, now the program is ready. So you can see we add it in a key value here. Here is the key first name and the value is doubt. Okay, so let's send this to the server. You can see it changed this name immediately. Okay, so now while in case if we want to send for the that is last name as well from here. Okay, let's add another, but the request parameter is not use a maximum of a lot of these request parameter. It will be good if it is maximum of 2, not 2000, not more than 2000 characters. Okay, now let's copy this and add this here and change this to last name. Okay, so let's break this down on it better like this. Break this down. So and we will change this value last name here, last name, so it better like this. Let me break this down. Okay, so let's save these changes and then go to the browser. So now how we will add the second key value here? It's simple as that. We will just add an, that is we add and then followed by the last name and the value for the last name. Okay, so let me add the value to like Hassan, like this. We have first name, we set it to Dawood, and the last name we set it to Hassan. Okay, so let's send this to see if our implementation works. Okay, we need to rerun this program. Let's rerun this program. Okay, it is starting. Okay, it started. Now let's send this again. So you can see it changed from Dawood, it changed from this. Okay, so that is what we have here in this tutorial. See you in the next video.